Merry Christmas everyone! Today I will be unboxing a gift from Born Pretty. May the joy and happiness around you today and always. So this is the gift box that Born Pretty sent me. It is round and red. It has the rose flower logo on top. And it comes with removable leather handle. So let's open it up and see the surprises. I just want to remind you guys to don't forget to use my code ROSEDIY13 to get 12% off when you shop at Born Pretty official store. And I got the medium size almond shaped nail tips. It's my favorite nail tips of all time. So next I got the very fine nail liner brush with the gold cup. Next is I get the ombre brush. And here is the cuticle oil. I love their cuticle oil. Cuticle oil to moisturize your cuticle. And next is I get the 18-watt mini UV and LED lamp for drying gel nail polish. It is very good to use, especially for personal use, because you're doing your own nails and you cannot do it all at one time. So you just kind of like dry it one by one. Or this one, in this one you can use 3 of your finger. Next I get the Jelly Nude Gel and the Color Gel. Super Shine Cut Magnetic Gel and Color Nail Gel Polish. Don't forget to check the link below down on my description box so you guys know where to get these products. More Color Gel Nail Polish. I will show you the swatches of these guys in another video. More Jelly Nude Gel and Color Gel Polish. Wow, this box can surely accommodate a lot of stuff. Jelly Nude Gel and Color Gel Polish. This box is perfect for storage, for nail storage, or manicure when you go home service. And last but not the least are the nail art stickers for Christmas. So it is easy to use, just stick it to your nails and 2 nails. And it is perfect for Christmas coming season. And now we're gonna put the box together and put the handle back. See how easy it is. It is very convenient to use. I don't know if I'm just gonna display it or I'm gonna use it to put my nail stuff, but it is either way. I mean, I'm excited to use it. And it's my favorite color, and it's very Christmassy. So thank you, Born Pretty, for giving me this gift. I surely enjoy it. And that's it, everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.